Hello, splojjers! Slightly different one today. 55,000 Orbeez. And I wanted to make a squishy using this bottle and this punch balloon. I modified this funnel. I cut the bottom off. I thought I'd be quite clever and it would work. So the premise of this is quite simple. Put the funnel in the bottle. Put the Orbeez in the funnel. And they'll all fall into the bottle. Really simply, easily, really quick. We're going to do this one in next to no time. Except no. What is my dog sniffing there? I have no idea. So this is the challenge here. I have to push the Orbeez in. They don't just fall in. It's quite slow, but you don't want to see that, so let's speed it up. It's a case of filling bottles and then putting them into the balloon, and I'll figure that bit out next. I think I've got an idea. So the idea is blow the balloon up, put the balloon on the bottle, which is, yes, how do you put a balloon on a bottle? Oh, expertly done, sir. Very well, yes. Tip them up. Will it work? There you go, it works! And the Orbeez come out really quickly. They're falling into the balloon. This is going to be easy, right? Yeah, not so easy, because the balloon's going to get heavier, isn't it? And at that point, it's going to be more difficult. But it looks good. This is after one bottle. It looks squidgy. It's about the size of a volleyball. And I'm trying now to figure out what to do. Do I tie in a knot? I don't know. So what I did is I put a squidgy clip on it. Brilliant idea. Second ball here. I wonder how many balls we're going to fill with 55,000 Orbeez. I don't know. Let's find out together. In fact, how many do you think we're going to fill? Put it in the comments below. I need a towel, yes, because you know what, it's getting heavy. And what's the point in making it if halfway through it pops? Look at them going in, they're lovely. This was really satisfying, this part, I have to say. I really enjoyed doing this. Squishy clip look, clever me. Wibbly wobbly, it's looking good. I can't wait to see what it looks like though. Now this is the bit where I figure out how to do it properly. If I put the squishy clip on while the balloon's blowing up, put it on the bottle, and then take the clip off. I said take the clip off. Take the clip off! Yes, I took the clip off, yes. Upside down, and in they go. 5 full bottles went in this, and what did we get? We got a massive squishy! Very proud of this one. It feels shamazing. Yes. Shamazing. It does. It feels absolutely fantastic. Why is there a mattress in my garden? I don't care. It was a beautiful day. And this little, it's like a little baby. Very droopy little baby. Oh dear. How much does it weigh? It weighs 1 stone 2 pounds. Do you know what else weighs 1 stone 2 pounds? A bowling ball. Or a vacuum cleaner. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Keep on splodging and I'll see you in the next one.